Okay, we are doing problem solving number 2 for inequalities. We're going to compare what it's like to do an equality, which requires an equal sign, versus an inequality, which has the greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, or greater than, or less than equal to. So the first thing we're going to do is try to make this larger so that we can read it. And we're going to talk about what Miss Began orders. So Miss Began orders custom shirts from a store. Each shirt costs $10.25. A one-time setup fee of $5.75 is added to the cost of the order. The total cost of her order before tax is $159.50. If S represents the number of shirts she orders, create and solve an equation to determine how many shirts Miss Began ordered. So let's use some of our key thoughts. We're trying to find how many shirts. So shirts is our variable. Okay, so which is S. So let's see. Each shirt is $10.25 per shirt. One-time fee is $5.75. Okay, total cost of the order is, so is means equal, $159. So let's try to put this together. So shirt is X. So if I just use the keywords that I used, I put 10, 25 shirts. A one-time setup fee of $5.75 is added. So added means plus, and it's plus the $5.75. Is that equal $159.50? All right, so I'm going to type this equation down here. All right, now that I've typed it, I do what I normally do. I am going to move the $5.75 over by subtracting $5.75 to both sides. Okay, that leaves $10.25 on this side, and 25S equals $159.50 minus $5.75. You guys should do that by hand. Got $153.75. It's not typing. $153.75. All right, so now this side over here means 10.25 times S. So I'm going to divide both sides by 10.25. And I am left with 15, or S equals 15. So the answer to this one is Miss Began ordered 15 shirts. Now, if the instructions say to just type in the number, you just type in 15. All right, so the reason why we're doing the equation with an equal is so that you see that it is done the same way with an inequality. Because if I read this over here, Miss Began orders custom shirts from a store. Each shirt costs $10.25. A one-time setup fee of $5.75 is added to the cost of the shirt. If S represents the number of shirts she orders, create and solve an inequality to determine how many shirts Miss Began can order for less than $200. So it's a little bit different, but this part is still the same. The difference is instead of it equaling 150, it's got to be less than the $200. If that makes sense. I only have a budget of 200 bucks. That's all I can spend. So I can't spend $200.05. I can only spend the rest of it. So I'm going to continue doing what I did before and subtract 575. From both sides. And I'm left on this side with 1025 is less than 200 minus 575. I'm hoping I did that in my head right. 194.25. And I forgot my S. So my S should still be there. Let's make it a little S so we can read it. So once I've done that, I have to divide both sides by that 1025 again. And S is left on this side is less than 194.25 divided by 1025. Oh, it does not come out even according to what I've done. So let's make sure I've done all my math right. I'm going to use my calculator to verify. So I got a weird answer. It's not perfect, but you get the gist. I get 18.95 and some change. So if we are dealing with whole numbers, this begin has to order less than 18 shirts because I can't order 0.95 of a shirt. The one on the test will not look like that, but reasonably, let's just make this way. So there's the answer to this one. We will do similar problems, but that's the process. Making sure that you see this is done the same way as this. That's all there is to it.